Who's your favourite diver in the world?
You.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, how nice is that? I made it out to New Zealand after a long day of travelling. I pretty much didn't sleep for 48 hours. But the good thing is the flight into New Zealand was actually really nice. The views were really great and the island looked beautiful from the air. And it's great to be here. It's so warm. And I'm ready for a good week of training before I head across to Brisbane. So, just going to the pool now for my first proper training session. I trained yesterday a little bit, just kind of got in really quickly yesterday just to get the jet lag out of the way a little bit and keep myself awake for as long as possible. But I'm actually probably going to start training today and get used to the pool.
Oh, don't crush your car.
if we actually make it there. What's your name?
Nathan.
How old are you?
I am 17.
17, you have to think about that for a while, didn't you? Yeah. How many years have you been diving?
Coming on 9 years now. 9
years, fair play. That's good, that's a long time. What's your name?
Amelia.
Amelia, how old are you?
11.
What's your name?
Luke.
How old are you?
13.
What's your favourite thing about diving?
Everything.
Everything? Here are another two. Help each other on handstands. You help each other on everything, don't you?
Yeah.
Wait, are you both called Holly?
Pardon?
You both called Holly? Ah, see, that makes sense. You both work together all the time. You always work together.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Philip.
Philip, how old are you?
14.
14. Who's your favourite diver in the world?
Tom Daly and you.
Tom Daly and me. Okay, I'll take that. That's very nice.
You know I'm not one to break promises. I don't want to hurt you, but I need to breathe. At the end of it all, you're still my best friend. But there's something inside that I need to release. Which way is right? Which way is wrong?
So guys, day 2 of training in Auckland, and it's the first time I'm actually training with the full New Zealand squad. Say hi, guys. This is honestly one of the best things I've seen. They're supporting each other on the somersaults. How awesome is that? That's sweet. These guys smash it out, you know. I've done like 20 somersaults and I'm dying. Literally dying. How many somersaults do these guys do?
Youngsters on 50 guys, all ones not.
Hundreds. 100 somersaults. So you're one of those who has to do 100 somersaults?
Yeah.
Yeah? How many times a week do you have to do 100 somersaults?
5.
5 times a week? 500 somersaults a week? That's intense. I barely do like 10 somersaults a week, I swear down. We don't do somersaults.
No?
We do them, but like not that often. We've got like a slightly higher dry board than that one, so we do a lot of dry boards.
Yeah, and you've probably had it out as well.
If I probably stood on that dry board, I'd probably touch the surface straight away. So yeah, that's not an option.
No.
Anyway, on you go. Oh man. 100 somersaults. I've actually done like 25, I'm dying. I'm so tired. Oh god. Alright. Best step of my game, eh? Another 75 more, here we go.
75's going, right?
Better get to it, Jesus.
How do I say that I need to move on? You know we're heading separate ways. Yeah.
What's your favourite event, 10 metre or springboard? Platform. Yeah, that used to be me as well. Then I got too scared of the 10 metre, so I switched down to springboard race on TV.
What's your YouTube?
How long have you been diving?
3.5 years.
3.5 years?
Yeah.
So you do gymnastics before?
Nah.
No? Just get straight into it?
Yeah, soccer. I play soccer.
Oh, fair play. That's cool. That's really cool. How do you like diving?
Really good.
That's awesome. Good to hear.
How long
Very
have you
nice.
been doing this?
How long have I been diving? 13 and a half years now. This is my 14th year. Yeah, very long time. I started when I was 9. So, yeah, I'm 22 now. Very old. Very old. Right, see you later. Do you watch me on YouTube? Nice. What do you want to say to the people?
Hi.
Is that it? Nothing else? How's your moment?
That you deserve. Nothing to say, I'm nothing to do, I'm nothing to give. I must live without you.
How long have you been diving for?
Since April.
Since April? Wait, April last year?
Yeah, last
So
year.
just, hey, it's not April yet. That's it. Oh, that's how tired I am because I'm doing so many somersaults. I can't deal with it. Who's your favourite diver in the world?
You.
Me? Oh, how nice is that? Who's your favourite diver? That's good, that's good. Very nice. Carry on with your somersaults.
Yeah!
1, 2, 3, go. So, training is all done in Auckland. It's my last session here. I'll leave tomorrow afternoon. And the only way to commemorate that is by doing a nice little falling back to me on 10 metre. I rarely venture up to 10 metre, but for this one occasion, I might as well, innit? 1, 2, 3, go.
Just too close to love you.
Peace out, Auckland.